This 2024 Grand Design Momentum 399th is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features a silver maple interior, sleeps 5, slide-out, TV, refrigerator, microwave, skylight, LP detector, air conditioning, smoke detector, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, and 152 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, patio deck, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum 399th is 15,900 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.